और दामछरा और ये सब एरिया में ज़्यादातर कि आप जानते हो ये मिजोरम का बॉर्डर है, तो ज़्यादातर यहाँ रियांग शरणार्थी जानते हो होता है, तो ज़्यादातर यहाँ रियांग शरणार्थी जानते हो होता है। 23 साल से किसी ने जो नहीं देखा, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी आके इन लोगों के बारे में सोचा। 23 साल में नरक का जिंदगी जो जिसको कहते हैं, इस तरह ये लोग।
First of all, I'd like to thank the member of the media and all my friends who are presented here, especially from Sudri and YBA. Myself, Laramwar Moya Bru, I am presently holding the post of President, Bru Resettlement Village Committee, Ultachora Bru Settlement, Gondachora. Today I am here to strongly condemn the recent statement made by Dr. Manik Saha, the Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, in which he referred to the Bru peoples who were settled from Mizoram to Tripura as refugees during a joining program. This statement is extremely unfortunate, insensitive, and deeply hurtful to the sentiment and dignity of the Bru Riang community. We want to clearly state that we are citizens of India. Our motherland is Bharat. How then we be called refugees? The word refugees has a specific meaning. It refers to people who flee from one country to another country. We have not crossed any international border. We have not come from another country. We are indigenous people of this land. Calling us refugees clearly shows a lack of understanding or respect for our history, identity, and constitutional status. This is not for the first time such a painful remark has been made. Just a few months ago, during Hojagri festival and Monu program, the Honorable Chief Minister repeatedly stated that the young people are from Bangladesh and Soronarthi. We strongly reject and condemn such statement. We cannot and will not accept repeated attempts to question our identity. We would like to ask the Honorable Chief Minister directly, do you truly understand the meaning of the words refugee, or are such words being used casually for political convenience? It is shameful and unfortunate that such remarks are coming from a person holding the highest constitutional position in the state. How many times we do need to prove that we are Indians? How many times we do need to declare that we are not refugees or Soronarthis? Let me also remind everyone that when the historic agreement was signed with the central government, Dr. Manik Saha was not the chief minister. The fact of this agreement must not be distorted. The initiative and strong voice that brought attention to our suffering come at a time when our people are starving. Our ration has been stopped in 2019 and we are facing a humanitarian crisis. It was Maharaja Pradyut Manikyo Dedborma who raised our voice and stood by us when we needed support the most. The state government responded only after that pressure was created. Therefore, we strongly want against using the Bru people and our settlement issues for narrow political gain. Do not try to confuse our community, do not attempt to divide us, and do not play politics with our identity. We demand a clear clarification from the Honorable Chief Minister and apologize for this hurtful and misleading statement. Respect for the dignity, history, and constitutional right of the Bru Riang people. We are Indians, we belong to this land, and will not remain silent when our identity is questioned.